Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzel World, and today we're actually doing a little bit of a different video. In here inside of this box is apparently a influencer special Anker fast charging, charger. Included in here is apparently the Anker Nano 60 watt 2-port wall charger, USB-C to lightning cable, along with a USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm not totally sure about that yet. Again, this is kind of their special influencer set, mainly meant for, influencers such as YouTubers like myself. So, not much more to say about this thing other than the fact that I'm actually kind of excited to check it out, see what this special set actually includes. So, let's go and start with showing you the front of the box. New iPhone fast charging essentials. Nice little box here, looks pretty cool. Has some heat shrink. Alright, so I'm now filming with a different phone, in case you see any differences in the video quality or hear anything differences in terms of audio quality. Well, that's why. Anyways, the phone that I was filming with was my iPhone XS Max, and that's actually right here, and I actually have an app on here called Amperase 4. You can find it on the App Store. And this app basically tells you what the wattage is, the duration to charge 1% of your battery, stuff like that right here. So I went ahead and plugged in the PowerPort 3 Nano and the USB-C to lightning cable right here. And I went ahead and let it run for a couple minutes here. You can see the watts that is putting into the phone, 5.7 watts. MAMP, I'm not 100% sure what that stands for, but basically the higher that number is, the better. And we also have the duration to charge 1% of your battery, 99%. Now these results, I've seen better, I've seen worse. But considering the price of the PowerPort, it's a pretty cheap product, right around $15. And the fact that, you're getting that Anker name brand with it, it's not half bad. It seems to be pretty alright for the price. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug in the normal power port, not the Nano. This is the one with the 2 USB-C ports on the front. And also, by the way, to change out these prongs, it's very simple. You just simply slide up and boom, you can change it out with the one included in the box. So that is pretty nice. Anyways, let's go and plug this in, do the same test with the same app, and go ahead and see how it works. Alright, I went ahead and tried out the normal full-size power port, and I actually got a lot better results. You can see here, duration to charge 1% of my battery was 80 seconds. And then MAMP, again, I don't know what that stands for, but the higher the better. We did get a higher score this time, and also the watts was about 7.1 watts. So that's a good amount better. Number one, I think that's because the full size is, number one, more expensive. It's also bigger, so they can output more power than, you know, just the normal little tiny power port right here. This thing is really tiny. I'm pretty sure this is smaller than Apple's normal power brick that actually comes in the iPhone box and stuff. I thought those were pretty small, but this seems even smaller. So there it is. I'm really happy with these products. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the normal power port right here, just to bring it over here. And you can see, oh, it's still slightly there. It's not, there we go, now it went off. You can see there is just a little light right there. This isn't a button or anything. I don't think so, at least. Maybe it is. Maybe it's just a touch sensitive button. Let me try that out real quick. I wonder what that's for, or if it's just a light. I'm not 100% sure. Alright, I plugged it back in, and sure enough, that just seems to be a light. It doesn't seem to be like an on and off button. That would have been pretty cool to see, but apparently it isn't. So far, I'm pretty happy with these products so far. Again, Anker, it's a really good brand. I've known about them for a long time, even before they sent this to me. I was using their products. They've always made good products for a really good price. And these are part of that too, you know. Really good products for a relatively cheap price. The cords here, in this case of the USB-C to Lightning cable, I mean, this thing just feels really nice. I'm going to be honest here. It's nice and braided. It doesn't feel cheap at all, even though the price is kind of cheap for this. And also the USB-C to USB-C cable here. I haven't tried this out, but it just works the same as pretty much any other cable, except this is going to be faster than USB-C to Lightning cable because, well, USB-C is faster and it has it on both ends in this case. So if you have like a Samsung phone or any phone with USB-C on it, it's going to definitely fast charge with either of these bricks and this cord included, so that is pretty cool. Also, to swap out the ends here, again, I showed this previously, but I'm just going to show putting in the other one here, just to clear up any confusion. Just slide it in and get it aligned here. There you go, and just like that, fits perfectly, as you can tell right there. So that is pretty cool. Again, I'm not sure if this is for Australia or what, but it's definitely not for the US, obviously. It comes with the US plug already installed. But hey, it's nice that this one is included too. So there it is. Overall, really happy with these products. Yet another good product from Anker. So yeah, there it is. I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.